Hello folks, Cinema here, and I have a double unboxing for you. Welcome to another segment of Sean's DVD collection. I'm going to do a DVD unboxing. These two packages that came from HMV are now in my possession. I recently bought them after signing up to the Pure HMV scheme, Pure HMV reward scheme, and I got these after signing up to it. So I'm going to do the first of these, if you can see here. So, well, I apologise. It's just that's got my address on the back, so alright. I kind of know what this is. This is a movie that I think I kind of know what this one is. This just takes a long time, so I'm going to speed things up by using a headset wire, the tip of it. This is taking so long. I'll be down in a minute, Michael. That's my brother calling me down for my cup of tea. There we go, I got it open, and what I have now is, yep, this is the HMV exclusive DigiPack of The Social Network. This is one of my favourite films of the year. This kind of goes behind the making of Facebook. So at least that's, I think Andrew Garfield did a great performance in this film. So let's see. This is HMV exclusive packaging. This can go in the bin. See? This pops up. You don't get to 500 million friends without making a few enemies. Then this pops out. This little thing here pops out, which is kind of like the Bond Deluxe edition of Casino Royale. This will just finally got it open. It says punk, prophet, genius, billionaire, traitor. And look here at the back, there's like a couple of pictures of the film and something about Blu-ray in English and in Russian. These are the two. See, it's just the discs are kind of blank. They're going for like a Benjamin Button look, which a look at the Blu-ray on David Fincher's last movie. I take out the disc. That's just a picture of someone's feet. I didn't know why they included that. So that's pretty weird. This here is just two. It's just both of them are just blank. And here we go. That's just, I think, David Fincher getting ready to set up a shot. Anyway, anyway, this is some good packaging. You know, I think it's the same as the American version, which I was going to import this, but it was region locked, so I don't have a region free player. Yes, but I will get one because I might get a 3D television. So anyway, that's The Social Network. The next thing I unboxed, this was a movie that I was planning on importing because it came out in the US in July and came out in the UK in October. And in the UK they changed the name for some reason, and I thought that was a promotional poster, but when I saw it like on the final cut, I thought, you know, it'd be confusing because of the, you know, the little thing, and I didn't know whether or not to get this on DVD or Blu-ray. I got it on DVD, and it's, look, The Death and Life of Charlie St. Cloud. This is the Zac Efron movie, which just came out. See here now, it's just called Charlie St. Cloud. Anyway, just this here is what I'm just gonna unwrap this now. This. I'm sorry, this is going extremely long, especially with The Social Network. Yeah, well, anyway, this still is a good film despite title change. This here, that's the disc, and this is a an offer for, you know, free. You can get like 3 issues of Glamour for £3, so this is great. Anyway, this is a good movie. Anyone who hasn't seen this movie, it's Zac Efron's character and his brother are in a car accident, and the brother dies, and he lives, and he basically sees his ghost, and he makes a deal to like practice baseball every day. It's actually a pretty good film. Pretty good film. Just taking off the sticker. The sticker that says just kind of like a barcode. Anyway. Yep, so alright. That's it. And those are the 2 movies that I got with my Christmas money. I'm planning on pre-ordering Come Fly With Me, in case that. So, starring David Williams and Matt Lucas. So, anyway, Cinema Man signing out. See you later.